Nice work out there. Good job.
On all of our 4-strokes, blue light is going to be your harder hitting, more aggressive power.
Okay.
If you want a smoother power, just hit that button, the light will go off, and that'll give you more of a tractable, low end power.
Sweet. Awesome. Thank you. Ha ha! Oh man, maybe I'm just a 4-stroke guy. Maybe I'm just old enough that the 2-strokes are just too heavy hitting to begin with. For whatever reason, this bike feels more manageable than either of those 125s. It's crazy. Dude, the hit that this thing has off the bottom is super awesome. Getting me on a 2-stroke though. Get me in the berm. Now the top end on this 4-stroke. Weird, it's like I can carry jumps on this 4-stroke that I was not able to carry on that 125. Super strange. Dude, carrying the front end up over these jumps is super fun. Ugh. Look at those snazzy boots you got, lady. So that little girl came to the track, all of her gear anticipating to ride this event. She left her boots at home, wasn't able to ride. So I'd borrowed a pair of boots from my nephew earlier in the day. She happens to be the perfect size. So we swapped her into the boots, and now she's out here enjoying the day at the motocross track. It's freaking awesome. Oh, a little roost in the face. Got it. You're okay. Is the bike still running? Is your bike still running? It's okay. I'll go nice and slow with you. Go just nice and slow. You got it. Good job. Nice work. You got it. Nice work. You got it. Okay, put both feet up and use your back brake going down. You're okay. Yeah, nice work. Good job. Okay, give it some gas. There you go, give it some gas. There you go, nice work. Look at that, she rides at my skill level. I'm gonna hang out with you and ride with you, okay? You're doing awesome. A little bit more gas. There you go. Put your foot under the shifter and shift up one gear. Nice. I like your form, you're doing great. There you go. Nice work. There's my brother, the show off, Mr. Two-Stroke Maniac. Give it some gas, 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 gas. Gas, gas, gas. You got it. Nice work. Good job. Okay, no brakes, no brakes. You're good. No brakes. Give it gas, give it gas. There you go. Nice work. Okay, a little more gas, gas, gas. Up the hill. Gas, gas, gas. You got it. Gas, gas, gas. Nice work. All right, if you want to go in, the gate's right over here. Looks like we're doing another lap, folks. This is what it's all about, though. Helping little minis learn how to ride, have a good time. Super spooked on the downhills, but she'll get it down. It's awesome. Got it. Stand up right here and give it gas. Gas, gas, gas. Gas, gas, gas. You got it. There you go. Nice work. Gas, gas, gas. You got it. Okay, stay on the gas. There you go. Now you can just coast. No brakes. Just coast. Keep going. Little gas. There you go. Now we're going to coast down the hill. You're good. All right, give it gas, gas, gas. We're going to go. Gas, gas, gas. Gas, 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 let's go. A little more gas, let's go. Okay, come to the outside. Nice work. Now give it some gas. Go up over the hill. Gas, 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 gas. Gas, gas, gas. There you go. Now go ahead and stand up to the whoops. Good job. Nice standing. Good job. Good job. Now go to the outside. Nice work. Good job. Now give it some gas for this hill over here. There you go. Okay, gas, gas, gas. Let's go. Gas, gas, gas. Gas, gas, gas. Nice work. All right, start giving the gas for the hill. Good job, nice work. Okay, gas, gas, gas. Gas, gas, gas. All right, nice riding. Let's go in and take a break. Nice work out there. Good job. What's up, guys? Kyle Bradshaw from MotoCity here with Jason Rains. Today we're out at the Yamaha event. Now, Jason, what are we doing out here today?
Out here we got demos finally in Arizona. We've been trying for years to get out here, and we finally got to come out to Arizona Cycle Park, and we're excited to be here.
So it doesn't matter the age, we have from the 50 all the way up to the 450. So if you're looking to see what a 2021 Yamaha off-road machine feels like coming out today,